Okay, welcome to another video, Starman Astro. Now, this morning it's really clear, and there's a chance to see quite a few planets. Jupiter, Mars, and Saturn, and also the Moon as well in between. So you might be able to see them. If I turn this camera now, I'm not sure you can see a street light there. There's the moon. I think there's a moon over there. So, but the street lights are causing quite a few problems around here. So what I'm going to try and do is go out somewhere. I don't know if you can see Jupiter. Jupiter's up there somewhere above the street light. So I'm going to try and go out somewhere and see if I can capture these over a landmark or something like that, and when the sky gets a little bit brighter it'll probably look a bit better than it does at the moment for a photograph anyway. So that's what I'm going to try and do. Okay, just one last thing I need before I go out. Right, okay, time to go on the road. Now I have noticed this morning that it is really damp, but I don't think that's going to be a problem for what I'm doing. So my aim now is to go out and try and see if I can capture these planets in a pleasing kind of photograph, but I'm also going to be taking a telephoto lens with me to see if I can get some kind of detail on them while I'm at it, if I can get a good clear shot of them. So let's go and do that then. Okay, let's go. Okay, just checking out this location. See Jupiter up there. See what kind of angle. So I want to get it above the tower over there, Blackpool Tower. The only thing is at the moment is it's just a little bit too dark at the moment, and that's going to move as well. So decent composition is. I'm just going to have to play around with it and see what I can do. Okay, I think it looks a bit like I'm a bit too close to buildings here at the moment. I'm going to have to move away from these buildings. So I'm not going to be able to get the shot that I wanted. I hadn't really planned this actually in advance. I only really thought about this at the last minute, but it looks like I'm going to have to try and go out a bit further and get a clearer horizon. It's just not going to be possible from here. So go and see if I can do that. Okay, I'm now at a completely different location. I'm now down at St Anne's, and I'm going to see if I can try and get a picture of these over the pier instead. First thing I'm going to do is try and see if I can get a picture of the planets using this telescope first. See if I can get any kind of detail on first, and then I'll go out and do the proper photograph. See if I can do that. Right, okay, this is much better now. I've got a really clear horizon now, and I've got this pier. And you can see the moon above the pier there, and if I move over there you can see Jupiter up there. I'm not sure if you can tell on this video, but Mars is just lower left of the moon, and if you look further along lower than Mars you can see Saturn over there, very low down Saturn. It's going to be a difficult target, but I'm going to see, before I do the wide photographs, I'm going to see if I can capture any kind of detail on Saturn using this DSLR with the telescope. Let's see what I can capture anyway. It's not going to be easy, but I think I might just be able to get the rings, and they are a pretty amazing sight. So let's see if I can do that. Okay, so in the middle at the moment we have the moon, and then a bit further over to the right is Jupiter. Jupiter's very easy to see. You can't really miss Jupiter. It's nice and bright. It's the biggest planet in the solar system. It shines really brightly. It's quite high up, so you can't really miss it. And then we've got the moon again, and then just a bit lower than the moon. This might be difficult to see on the camera, but Mars is down there. The red planet, you can tell it's red just by looking at it. It's quite solid. Planets tend to glow quite solid, they don't twinkle like stars do. And then if we go along a little bit further down, just above, somewhere up there, I'm not sure if you can see it, but Saturn's there. And I've got a picture of that Saturn, a really good picture of it, considering what I'm using. And I'm going to show that, I'm going to show the pictures I've got at the end of the video. Just before I leave here, just another bit of a concern of mine is these lights on, there's a toilet block here next to the car park, and these lights are so bright. When I came down here, these lights were burning away, and they're burning away all night long. And I know that you need lights to see where you're going, but really this is a bit extreme really. They could at least have some automatic ones that come on, or some really very low power LED ones, but really the lights coming off this are just extreme. And there's just no need for them to be so bright, and they seem to be throwing light all over the place, all down on the beach here. So it's a real problem if you're trying to see faint things in the sky when you've got all this light pollution, and this is just one small example of over the top lighting. Okay, moan over. Right, okay, I've just finished all the wide stuff now. Got a nice shot of the pier and the moon, and the sky is really brightening up now. You can probably see it. So that's it for this shot, and I'm going to be showing those any minute now.